this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2014 Subaru Forester, stock number 6586. This ran from the 9th 2013 to the 7th 2018. It has an FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, big plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the FB25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left front door, 1 dent and crease. Left rear door, 4 dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke, leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,